Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to make a backup code in Roblox. First, you need to open the Roblox app. At the top bar, there is a search bar, your profile icon, etc. From the left side, tap on the three dots. Then go to Settings. Select Security. From the page that opens, tap on Security Keys. As you can see, the security keys are available for the web only. Here, you need to enter your password to continue. Next, tap on Verify. So now, scan the QR code. Also, provide the generated code here. Once you are done with this, select Verify. This is how you can make a backup code in Roblox. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.